Hi guys, Grayson here. Today we are going to make a BB gun out of PVC pipe. Let's go. So today all we need is PVC pipe. We need 2 tees. I just got these tees to get today.
These are the tees.
These are tees. Okay, we need 2 tees. 2.5 inch. I think these are 1 or 2.5 inches. Let me see what these are. These are 1.5. This is 1/2 inch. Okay, we need 2 tees like this. We need 2 of these. Okay. Then I just like doing that. Okay, so let's get started.
I'll take the knife away.
Yes, because your hand's right there. What happens if you accidentally stab that through your hand?
Right? Just talk about this like 2 minutes.
I guess that works. 2 hands, bam. Kenna, watch out. Hey, are you recording?
Oh yeah. Here's my assistant too. There's 2 assistants.
This is like my first time being on YouTube.
Yes. There's Peyton, Adriana, and me, of course. This is my channel. So
Your hand, it's gonna hurt real bad. Okay.
Watch McKenna. Can start making.
okay, so let's get a 1/2 inch of PVC, a tee, and
Shy. Right?
then let's get another one. I need this. Actually, no, I don't. Let's get this piece. Where's that other tee at? Where's that one more tee? There it is. Okay, so let's get this little big one. We need to switch this to a real 1/2 inch. So let's pause. Great, so we are going to make this. Now, we just have to put, let's get a tee, put this on.
Here,
Then let's,
this way.
right, let's get the handle, of course.
This way.
Then
Take
we
the
have
knife
to
out.
put the other tee on for the other handle. Then we have to have the barrel.
Now, what way do you want to go?
And this is it for today, guys. See you next time. Press the square.